girl with confidence. When I got we roll our hips and take a sip on it. Take a trip on it.
Hey loves, and welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are going to be unboxing and styling this hair from LuvMe Hair, and this is a 13x4 frontal blonde highlight C-part short bob wig. Yeah, this is what it looks like. It is gorgeous, as you guys had seen earlier on, and this is the frontal. This is what the frontal parting space looks like. Now this is the wig construction. It does come with combs and an elastic strap for adjustment. This is a wig bag, a wig case that contains the edge brush, the hairband, and also this is a wig bonnet and a wig cap as well. So I'm going to proceed into styling this hair, but I just want to pop it up first to kind of see what it looks like. But before I do that, let me just put my hand against the lace so you guys can see what the lace looks like. And now I'm just going to go ahead to customize this frontal. So this is what we are getting. Now I did have an issue with this frontal, and it was with this part right here. It was a bit too backward, but we definitely made it work. But yeah, that's something to note. But yeah, aside from that, this was gorgeous. So yeah, I'm just showing you guys how I'm basically making it work. I'm kind of cutting the back where they suited, just to make it a little bit more flexible so I can push it a bit forward. And now we have that. So I'm going to be using my face powder just to make sure that the lace blends with my skin. And I'm just going to be wiping down my frontal baby hair area because for this video, because it's a frontal, I felt like using a glue and a spray as well. So I'm just adding a little bit of glue just in front of my hairline, not on my hairline, guys, and I'm doing this very carefully. So yeah, if you want to use a wig cap, you can go ahead to use a wig cap, but I just feel like that's another step that I honestly do not want to take because I hardly wear wigs for more than a couple of days. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys how I did this process. So now I'm just melting in that lace to that glue because it has perfectly dried up and it's clear now. So yeah, I'm just kind of brushing and pressing the lace onto the glue and pressing it down as well. I'm going in with my got2b spray gel and I'm using this on the edges basically so that way it could perfectly melt down even further, brushing that back to get all the hair out of the way. And again, I'm doing this section by section just to make sure that everything lays down perfectly, and I'm pressing it down as I go. So yeah, I went ahead to use the band that came with the wig, and I used that to lay this frontal down a little bit more so that way it blends into the skin and it looks flawless. And guys, this is what it looks like. I let that sit in for about 5-10 minutes and I'm going to go ahead to cut off the excess lace. I'm doing this section by section and I'm just snipping. I'm doing this bit by bit so that way it looks seamless, it looks a little bit natural, and it's not like a straight cut, if you guys get what I'm talking about. Alright, so going in with my tweezers, I'm just going to go ahead to just further customize this frontal. And guys, you don't need to do this, but I felt like going the extra mile just to take off a little bit of hair to make it look more blended with my own natural hair basically. So I'm just going to brush that out of the way, and this is what we have. Going in with my got to be glue spray, I'm just spraying that right on the lace to cancel out that white cast you're seeing, right? And this does the trick. You can use this or you can use water, but I prefer to use this because this just gives extra hold, and I'm going to melt it down even more for another 1 to 2 minutes, right? So yeah. This is what we have right now. I feel this is a better look. So yeah, you can decide to use your foundation, your powder to blend that in, and yeah, this is what this is giving, right? So moving on to styling, I'm just going to repart this hair because this wig does come parted. It does come with a C parts, but I felt like it wasn't parted specifically from my face shape and frame and how I like my side part to be, because I kind of like a deep side part. And yeah, I'm using my wax stick, rubbing that on the palm of my hands, and also using that to slick the parts that I just made on my hair. And yeah, I'm gonna go in with my hot comb just to further smoothing this out and to style the hair and to lay that part that we just created, right? So we're just pressing this down so that way it looks seamless, it looks natural, and it looks blended with my natural hair basically. So I'm going to leave the details as well as the link to this hair down in my description box. So if you are interested, definitely feel free to check it out. It wouldn't be a bob without actually bobbing it. So that's what I'm doing with my hair straightener. I'm straightening the hair, but I'm also bobbing it inward so that way it creates like this curve that you are seeing right now, right? So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to straighten the hair so that way it looks sleeker. I'm just styling it to the way that I want. Now with this hair, you can style it however you want and part it however you want because it is a 13x4 frontal. So you can do a center part, you can do a side part like I did, you can do a half up, half down, however you want to style it. But this is how I'm going to be styling it in this video. I also went ahead to curl this wig, right? Just to show you guys that you can further style this and it will still look amazing. I'm going to be showing that you guys that in this video, but this is what it looks like. It is luscious, it is flowy, and it just moves, and I love it. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. Would you rock this? I feel like this is perfect for the hot weather, for summer. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me let you guys enjoy this.